Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 12.1 question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. Let us find. We'll solve first question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is question number 1 is minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. We'll apply a formula here, that is a to the power m, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power n, and that will be equal to a to the power m minus n, right? We'll use this formula here. Therefore, we are getting minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8, and that is equal to minus 4 to the power minus 5 minus 8 is minus 3, and it can be written as 1 by minus 4 to the power 3. This is the positive exponent. This is the positive exponent to the power 3. And here we have applied the formula a to the power minus m, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We applied this formula here. Now question number 2. Question number 2 here you see is 1 by 2 to the power 3 to the power 2. Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 to the power 3 to the power 2, that is equal to 1 square into 2 to the power 3 to the power square, right? Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 to the power 6, 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 2 to the power 6, and that is the answer. Here we applied the formula a to the power m, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n, a to the power m into n. This one multiplied 3 into 2, that is 6, right? Now we shall solve question number 3. Question number 3 here you see is question number 3 is minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 by 3, 5 by 3 to the power 4, right? Minus 3 to the power minus 4 this can be written as minus 3 can be written as minus 1 into 3 to the power 4, and this can be written as 5 by 3 to the power 4, right? Or it can be written as minus 1 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4 by 3 to the power 4. Here we have used the formula AB to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m, b to the power m. Here we have applied this formula. Minus 3 is minus 1 into 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4 will cut, and minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1, right? Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power 4, and this is 5 to the power 4. Therefore, we are getting 5 to the power 4. This will cut this one, and this one will cut, and minus 1 to the power 4 is plus 1. That is, we are getting 5 to the power 4, and that is the answer. This is question number 3, right? 5 to the power 4. Here, minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 4 is equal to plus 1 because the power is even number, right? Let's solve question number 4. Here you see question number 4 is, let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 is given as minus 3 to the power minus 7, 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5, right? Here you use the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We use this formula. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power minus 7 minus of minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5, or we are getting 3 to the power minus 7 minus into minus is plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5, or we are getting 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. Let us apply this formula. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. Let us apply this formula. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power 3 minus 5. Therefore, we are getting 3 to the power minus 2, or you can write it here as 1 by 3 to the power 2, and that is the answer of question number 4, 1 by 3 to the power 2, right? Let's solve question number 5. Let's solve question number 5. Question number 5, here you see is, question number 5 is 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 7 to the power minus 3. Here you see the base is different but the power is same, right? Therefore, you can use the base is different but the power is same. Then we can write it here as, we can use the formula a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. We can use this formula, right? Therefore, we can write 1 by 2 to the power 3 into 1 by minus 7 to the power 3, minus 7 to the power 3, right? Now we can use the formula a to the power m into b to the power m, b to the power n. It can be written as, ab to the power mn, ab to the power m into n, ab to the power m into n, or you can use this formula also. We can write it in this way, that's a to the power m into b to the power m, a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to ab to the power m, because the power is same. Therefore, you can write here as 1 by in third bracket you can write 2 into minus 7 to the power 3. We'll use this formula a to the power m into b to the power m equal to a into b to the power m. Right? Now I'll use this formula. Here you can find it here as 1 by 7 to the 14, that is minus 14, 1 by minus 14, 1 by minus 14, minus 14, and to the power 3. Right? And this is the answer of question number 5. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.